What's going on? Sean here, welcome to another video. In today's video I am going to be reviewing the Isotope protein from Redcon1 in the peanut butter chocolate flavor. So if you're ready, let's get started.
Nerf this!
So here is the container. It is 30 servings, 130 calories per serving. It does have 25 grams of protein per serving, which is pretty standard among the protein powders out there. 1.5 grams of sugar, which I like. I like any protein powder, any foods really that are low in sugar. The taste on this powder is amazing. It tastes like you're drinking a Reese's peanut butter cup. So if you're a sweet tooth, you're really gonna love it. If you're not, this is probably not for you. I do highly recommend it. If you are gonna order it, make sure you use the link from my buddy Tim's link, or make sure you mention him. I will link that down below. I'll link his Instagram down below as well. The only drawback I do see with this protein powder is that it gets a little bit clumped up in the blender bottle. I haven't actually put it in a blender, so I don't know if that will correct that, but putting it in a blender bottle with the little, blender ball in there, it does still stay a little clumpy, which if you're drinking it, you're not really gonna notice all that much, but sometimes you leave some in the container, and I'm like super anal about getting all the protein out of the container when I drink my protein shake. So if you're anal about that, it's probably not for you either. Me, I can deal with it. I'll just have another glass of water in there and just make sure I get the rest out. But it's super delicious, so if you're looking for something that tastes great and is going to be effective and help you reach your fitness goals, I recommend this protein powder for sure. It is not dairy free, so just keep that in mind. It is not certified vegan, so if you are vegan or you are plant-based, just know that there is animal products in there, so if that is you, it is not for you either. Out of 10, I'd probably give it an 8.5. Again, really good taste, low calories, high protein, low sugar, and it tastes amazing. So definitely recommend it. Again, I will link it down below. Make sure you check it out, and make sure you mention Tim when you buy some. He is sponsored by them. Appreciate it, guys. I do release videos just like this every Monday to get your week going, and every Friday to get your weekend started. So if you are new here, consider subscribing and turn on the notifications, because I do release bonus videos at random and you won't miss a thing. Thanks so much for checking it out, guys. Appreciate it. Catch you next time. Signing off.